We are going over this digital caliper. You can measure up to 6 inches. You can measure from this side, or even the bottom side here. For all of my 3D printing needs, I've only used this side. The whole thing is made up of stainless steel. It is rock solid. This thing is actually very pointy, so be careful, you can stab yourself with it. Very, very pointy. There's 3 buttons. You can change from millimeters to inches, on and off, and 0 calibration. There's this mini roller on the side where you can slide it slowly. Pretty slick. There's also this little screw on top to lock it in. Of course, you can change the battery by releasing the screws here and here. A spare battery is included inside the case. The case is cheap plastic, but it'll do the job of protecting your caliper. Spare batteries, and they're even nice enough to give you a screwdriver to release that mini screw. Very nice. The brand is Proster, but don't worry about it because this is most likely a generic brand, and most likely it's being fulfilled by a bunch of other companies in China and being FBA, meaning fulfilled by Amazon. So don't worry about the brand. Try your best. If you want to buy this, try your best to find something that looks similar and made of the similar thing as well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to ask in the comment section.